Jiaobi Full Coverage Foundation is best product for Indian skin type. It has only one general shade which is suitable for all skin type. Liquid foundation is light in texture, easy to apply, and less greasy. It is quick makeup modification in all skin. It is mainly used to refine pores, even out skin tone, and brighten skin tone. It forms a smooth covering layer on the surface. It can also be used to cover or conceal some facial blemishes, such as freckles, scars, etc. to adjust skin texture, color and gloss. Jiaobi foundation makes skin radiant and textured. It is suitable for all skin types and is long-wearing, making it ideal for special occasion or when you need your makeup to last all day. It can be applied alone or on top of Jiaobi BB cream or with V7 sunscreen. You can use Jiaobi compact powder. For best result, you can buy original Jiaobi liquid foundation by www.mahjabeen.in. Thanks for watching.